Dear YouTube team, my name is Janis Kapure and this is my YouTube channel. Dear YouTube team, I am applied for YouTube partner program. My YouTube channel was rejected and also give me the reuse content. But I do not use any type of reuse content in my channel, dear YouTube team. In my channel, I uploaded my own content videos in my channel, dear YouTube team. And in my channel, I also upload game video in my channel, dear YouTube team. In my channel, also upload vlog video, but that vlog video I convert to cartoon with the help of application. Let's I want to show you the videos in my YouTube channel.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल जिनसार अली। आज किसी वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा अगर इजी पैसा की तरफ से आपके पैसे।
Dear YouTube team, let's I want to show you my another one video.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल जिन। अब यहाँ पर आपने इसको थोड़ा सा जूम करना है।
This is another one video.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल जिनसार अली। आज किसी वीडियो में हम
Dear YouTube team, this is another one video.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल जिनसार अली। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे
This is another one video.
हाय गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है जिंसर अली और आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल जिंसर अली।
This is another one, dear YouTube team.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसे कि फेसबुक जो अचानक से ऑटोमेटिकली लॉक।
Dear YouTube team, let's I want to show you my another video. This is another one video, the which one video I convert to cartoon. This is another one. This is gaming video, dear YouTube team.
Hello
Dear YouTube team, let's I want to show you the way which one way I can create my videos for my channels. Dear YouTube team, first of all, I am open my mobile camera and start a video recording to make a video for this channel, dear YouTube team. And I make a face cam video, dear YouTube team. And dear YouTube team, this time I am open my mobile camera and I set up my mobile with the front of me. And I will be also start a video recording to make a face cam video information type video for my channel, dear YouTube team. And dear YouTube team, that is a short and simple example. I can create a video for my own YouTube channel. Let's say I want to show you another video creation. Dear YouTube team, this is another video creation. First of all, I am open my mobile. Then I can start a screen recording to make a screen recording technical type video to make the information type video for this channel, dear YouTube team. And this time I am explaining my screen recording video how to create a logo in the help of WhatsApp Meta. And this time I am explaining the full detail in the screen recording, dear YouTube team. And that is detail about my screen recording video creation, dear YouTube team. Dear YouTube team, this is the cat game, the which cat game you will be seeing in the Play Store. I am download that cat game from Play Store. Then I can start a screen recording to make a gaming type video for his channel. And that is also a short and simple example. I can create a cat game for his channel, dear YouTube team. YouTube team, that is the procedure, which procedure help I can convert my simple video to cartoon video. And that is the short and simple example. I can convert simple video to cartoon video. They give me 50 points and that 50 point reaction I will convert real video to cartoon video like this.
अंदर की बात करते हुए इसने एक आर्टिकल दिखाया, एक लाइन को अंडरलाइन कर दिया कि मेरे
The all video creation done. Then I can edit my video using 16.9 YouTube ratio, using a little bit small filter, dear YouTube team, 4K filter. Then I will be using auto adjustment, and that's the way I can edit my face cam video. Let's say I want to show you screen recording video editing. In the screen recording, dear YouTube team, I'm using fat ratio, and I using all the adjustment, using brightness, using contrast, using saturation, using explosion, and a lot of sharpness. So that is detail about my screen recording video editing, dear YouTube team. Let's say I want to show you another video editing. This is cartoon video editing. In the cartoon video, I'm using 16.9 YouTube ratio in the filter. I'm using 4K filter for the best cartoon quality. That's video, the which simple video I convert to cartoon. And I'm using adjustment and I'm using auto adjustment and export my video. That is a simple editing procedure about my all videos. There is no type of reuse content. I want to request you to please review my channel and reply me soon as possible.